Okay, the time has come to look at the Nifty again as what it's been doing. The last time we had analyzed Nifty, we had identified this downtrend and we had thought that the ideal downside target for this downtrend would be this low at 13,200. But we had also commented that that is not necessarily going to be exact because it could be shallower or it could be deeper also. As it turned out, it was shallower and the Nifty turned around before reaching that level. However, this was a nice short trade, which turned out to be successful. And then obviously once the Nifty turned around, it hit our all stop losses on the short side, and we had to reevaluate our wave counts and go long. So what does the wave count now look like? Now, starting from the March low, we have a first wave up, second down, then we have one, two, and this third wave probably ended here. And then there was a flat correction for wave 4 and wave 5 up is now in progress. So this wave 5 up should take Nifty beyond 15,000 comfortably. Somewhere around 15,100 is the first target. But let us analyze and assess the internal wave counts of this rise once we reach 15,000 and see how much further it needs to go. So as of now, this wave 3 itself is subdividing and we are looking for much higher targets in the Nifty. Then looking at Bank Nifty had wave 1, wave 2, then wave another 1, 2, and this is the third wave which is going on. And we feel Bank Nifty is now entering the third of the third wave. So Bank Nifty is much more stronger than Nifty, and this looks to go much, much higher. You would be surprised at the targets which could be achieved in the Bank Nifty. We need to go to the weekly level and see what is happening. At the weekly level, we would feel that Bank Nifty has a good chance of crossing 40,000. And looking at that, we have been long the Bank Nifty for most of this rise, except for this fall where we were short. And once we crossed over on the budget day, uh, this high, this 32,130, we again went long on the Bank Nifty, and we intend to be long for the days and weeks to come. The interesting part is if you look at the intraday chart, that was a dead giveaway. Uh, Go to the hourly chart of Bank Nifty. And in the hourly chart of Bank Nifty, you can see that this fall was classical three waves. And that told us that there's something bullish was going to come very soon. And once we had this top taken out, this up move was pretty much confirmed. So we continue to be bullish on both the indexes, obviously with adequate stop losses because anything can happen in the market. But the most moral of the story is don't take a make a top, don't pick a top until you are confirmed that this is the top. And none of these indexes have confirmed up till now any of their topping formations. Whatever they have been intermediate or very short term corrections. So that is about Bank Nifty and Nifty for today. Thank you and bye bye.